get your presentation on.
Hi, this is Judd with PresenterMedia. Thanks for joining me on this video as we take a look at the AI presentation builder from PresenterMedia once again, and how I'm going to use it to build a presentation about employee feedback in the workplace. So let's get started. I'm signed into PresenterMedia. I can access the builder in two ways: by going up to PowerPoint templates and clicking on AI Presentation Maker, or going down to this section right here in the dashboard where it says AI Presentation Builder and click on Start Building with AI, this purple button right here. And once I do that, I will see the AI Presentation Wizard where you can just start entering your topic here and pick how many slides you want AI to choose for you, and it'll create outlines for you. You can close out this and you can start just selecting slides that you like here and create your own presentation deck here. And you can put your subject over here and build and preview the slides that way. But we're going to go back to the other way. So I'm going to start new. And I'm going to type in what my presentation should be about. Well, I'm not going to type it in because I want to save time and not take too much of your time. So I'm just going to copy in what I have written before and paste it in here. So a presentation about employee feedback in the workplace, and then separated by commas, I have different slides. So with slides about types of employee feedback, when to give feedback. So just kind of telling AI what I want certain slides to be about. So I'm going to go with 10 slides. I can always add slides later. And I'm going to go with classic linear. So this is just the style, design style of the slides. So if I click on the little information button here, you can see that these have more of a straight edge look to them. These slides, the diagonal, of course, has diagonal kind of style to them, and the organic has more of a flowy style to them. So I'm going to go with classic linear. I'm going to click let's create slides and outlines, and I'll be back in just a second as this runs and builds. Okay, I'm back with the outline here. The outline just shows the slides that AI selected for you, and it also gives you kind of an idea of what the slides will be about. You can change the text in here if you like, and AI will use this to gather information and provide information inside these slides. So that looks good here. I'm going to go up to the color picker up here. So this is the color themes, and I can select a new theme. You can see that it changes over there, so I can get a good idea of what that looks like. I can save a theme to my presets, which I have here, and I'm going to go with let's see, I'm going to go with this blue. That looks pretty good. I'm going to stick with this blue down here. I can edit any of these swatches up here to change the colors, and of course save preset here. Okay, once I have that, I'm going to go down to select an image style. So this is what kind of the style of image AI will create if I use AI to create the images. In the next step, you can also upload your own images or select from a image library. So I'm just going to go stock photo, so give more of a realistic images. You could select like 3D Tune, which is more 3D kind of Pixar look to it. Okay, and once I'm good with that, excuse me, good with that, click Build and Preview. And I'll be back in just a second as AI thinks about the information of all those outlines and creates slides, previews for those. I'll be back in just a second. Okay, so I'm back, and now it's on the preview section where I can preview the slides and the information that AI generated to put in the slides. You can see that the slides are all filled out, and over here on the right, I could actually edit the text if I want to. You can edit the text in PowerPoint too when you download it as a PPTX. To generate the images for each of these slides that have images, you can go up to where it says Auto Image and turn that on. It'll tell you how many image placeholders are in this and how many credits it will take. So it's going to take 9 credits, and it will go through and build all these slides. Okay. So you can see that it's building these images here. That looks good. Underneath each preview slide, this is where you can select upload your own photo or click from a library of photos there to select from. There's a search here. You can do a search. Okay, and then you can also build new images. AI will give you a prompt of what the image in here used to build. So you can change this. You can change this prompt here if you want to put your own image of what you want. So you could do close-up of giving feedback to an employee. That looks good. So yeah, these are all pretty good. So if you want a more diverse image, you could put like a diverse team. So and then regenerate that by clicking build image, and it will generate a new image there. That looks good. Okay, so I'm all done there. And if you want to click to save, it saves periodically, but just if that ever shows orange up there, just click it to save it. And that looks good. I'm going to download and download it to my computer by going up to File, Download, and clicking Download. One other thing I just want to show you before we do that, just popped in my mind here. If I want to add another slide to this section, just click the little plus sign underneath, and you can go search for any slide that you want to use. Over here are filters, so I'm going to go click Classic Linear so I can get the same style in here. And if I want to add that, I can type in whatever I want this slide to be about, and AI will use that instructions to build the slide out. Or I could just click continue and not put anything in there, and AI will just make up whatever it wants to about the topic about this presentation. And you can see that it's made up this key aspects of effective feedback. Okay, so that looks good. I'm going to go File, Download PPTX, and then it's going to build my presentation into a PPTX file. I'm going to download that and save it onto my computer. Then I'm going to go over to PowerPoint, go to File, go to Open, go to Browse, and find where I saved the PPTX file and open that. And then I'm going to click Enable Editing inside PowerPoint, and I'm going to play the slideshow, and you can see that I got all my slides ready to roll here. Again, you can change any text you want to in here, but I think it's ready to go and present. And yeah, there we go. So I hope you can see how easy and fast it is to quickly make a presentation and generate that with our AI presentation maker. Go ahead and start making your own. And if you like this video and want to see more of these videos as they come out on YouTube, just be sure to give us a like on there. If you're watching this on other social media, give us a like on that as well, like Facebook, Instagram. All right. We appreciate you watching and following along with me, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Get your presentation on. Get your presentation on. PresenterMedia. Let your presentation